Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S20. Now, this is the Ultra version. The case is made by Temdan. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Temdan for Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. This is the Ultra case. Built-in screen protector, full body, heavy-duty shockproof case support, wireless charging. We'll check that for the Galaxy S20. It's got a built-in screen protector. Some phones were not shipping with those initially because there was difficulty with the screen protector. Now I did test a couple of cases recently from iBlazon and Subcase, and the fingerprint scanner worked, although you have to may have to make some changes with the fingerprint scan, a new fingerprint scan, or take off the screen protector that came with the Galaxy S20. But we're going to check this one out and see what it does. It's $15.99. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, let's take this. This is a box right here. Phone case, focus, quality, innovation. Dirt-proof, shock-proof, scratch-resistant. Said military standard right there. Nothing much else on the box. Let's go ahead and take this out. So this is the case right here. All right, so screen protector right there. Please make sure there was no screen protector on your phone before installing this case. So you should have the screen protector off before installing it, but we're going to try it with the screen protector on the case and see what happens. Okay, so I got the case separated. This is the back part, TPU around there, power button, your volume down rocker. Got a little pattern on the sides here, a little bit of grip, and it's a little shiny in between there, as you can see. Very thin back panel, but you have feet that's going to raise the back off of the surface, if you can see that right there. So that's going to protect the camera. But otherwise it's fairly thin. You got your mic hole right there, and your speaker, charging port, your mic hole right there. And the case, as you can see, is a little thick right there. So it's going to be a little bit bulky than some of the other thin cases out there. This is the front cover right here. Now, if you can see this, this is the bottom right here. There's a little circle area right here where the sticker was inside. That's where the fingerprint scanner will be. But we're going to see, I got the other cases to work with the fingerprint scanner. We're going to check this out as well. Okay, so here's the Galaxy S20. It's the Ultra. All right, so to put this in, you just put the bottom in. You see this little tab right here to line up with the port at the bottom. And then you want to slide everything else on, making sure that it's all covered on the edges like that to hold everything in place. All right, and it goes on fairly easily. So there we go. So everything's snapped on pretty good, and it looks pretty good. It's not that bulky, but it's going to give you a little bit more bulk. All right. Now, as you can see, everything lines up. The camera hump is a little taller than the back of the glass, but you got these feet that's going to protect it by having it off of the surface. Now on the front, you got glass screen protector, so no big deal, but this is raised up, so this doesn't get scratched too easily. You got a charging port, a cover right there for your charging port, speaker grill, mic grill right there, mic opening up top, and you got your power button. All that works pretty good, presses pretty easily. Right, I don't see any other branding on the device, on the case from the manufacturer, so it's not bad. But it's a clear back, kind of hard on the back, polycarbonate. Now we're going to test this fingerprint scanner out real quick. All right, so we put the case on. The fingerprint scanner doesn't work with this case. I'm going to try to put a new fingerprint to see what happens, see if it works. So I went into the fingerprint scanner biometrics. I tried to add another fingerprint, and it won't even let me do that. So this doesn't, I'm going to take off the screen protector that came with the device to see if that makes a difference. Okay, so I took off the screen protector. We're going to see if this works with, so this doesn't work at all. Fingerprint. So it doesn't work with either fingerprint, even with the protector off. So this case is a fail. You can't even add a fingerprint to this fingerprint sensor, even with the Samsung protector off. So this one won't work. If you want to buy this case, you're gonna have to use the pattern or the face unlock, because the fingerprint does not work on this case. So Temdan needs to do some work. This will not work with the fingerprint sensor. Let's check out wireless charge. Get this out of the way. Okay, so it picks up wireless charge. That works right there, no problem. Okay, so this is the Temdan case for the Galaxy S20. This is the Ultra version. Now, it's a good case. It's going to give you good protection. You got a screen protector, but it doesn't work with the fingerprint scanner. So that's something you're going to have to think about if you want to purchase this case. $15.99, does have wireless charge. Again, no fingerprint sensor, doesn't work. You can't even add one with it when you take it off. Take off the original protector by Samsung. So if anybody else has gotten this to work, go ahead and let me know. But right now, I'm going to give it a no-go because it doesn't work with the fingerprint scanner with the Samsung protector off. All right, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.